Okay guys, it's neither more here. Today we're doing another video review. Sorry guys, I'm just drinking water. This is the Swiss Army knife. Another classic SD, the Escort. I'll pull it out now. Very nice, fake leather. She's got some cheap plastic inside, but here's the knife. Nice little stamp of the Victorinox logo. It's a very nice little gift. Like, you can get them for, I got it for $15. So that was pretty cheap. For Australian price, but you can get them for like $6 or $7 in America. But I'll get on to the review. So it is, I'd say 2 inches or 1.5 inches long, and the actual blade is 1 inch. So this would be 1.25 inches. I'll just get it to focus. Sorry guys. Well, if you're familiar with Swiss Army knives, it will say Victorinox Swiss made. So yeah, it's a slip joint, like all the other Swiss Army knives. And it's a very nice pen blade. Very, very sharp. I'll show you guys. Look at that. Very good for like a all-day, everyday carry work knife. If you're opening boxes or just doing, it's a real good gentleman's knife. Not very good for stabbing, as you can see. Like, you can stab with it if you want to, but just like cutting, maybe some nice whittling, just softer wood like balsa. This would be a great knife. Very, very good quality. Here it has a nail file, which I've been using. Just good after go for swims or stuff to get sand in your hands, or just dirt from camping, making fires, and just all day tasks. It really, really good. Unfortunately, I don't have any flathead screws with me right now, but like a light socket, if you're a electrician, use this and just quickly do it. Very good knife. I'll do some cutting tests with some wood in a bit and paracord, but yeah, I really like it. It has blade is 1 feature. Nail file 2, the flathead screwdriver 3. This is classed as a feature, just a little belt, a key ring, great keychain knife. And then it's got here tweezers, very good indeed. And here the toothpick. The classic toothpick. But yeah, it's basically the exact same as the classic nail file, classic screwdriver, just without the scissors, basically. So it's basically the classic SD without scissors. But yeah, I really, really like it. I'll try and do a long cut test with the paper. See, it's not very good at going slow. Like, it could be a bit better, the sharpen, the like the blade. It is fairly razor sharp, but it's just a little cheapy Swiss Army knife if you can't afford the bigger ones like a Super Tinker or just the all-day big ones with all the tools. This is a great knife just for little handyman stuff. But I'll pause it and come back with some wood and paracord. Okay guys, I've got the wood and paracord. Sorry, I was just having another sip. But, yeah. Look at that. You might not be able to see it, but there is feather sticks. Which is a very bright day, so might be off the colouring. But I'll double the first. I'll just do single. What am I talking about? Single loop paracord. Cut it clean off. Now double it over. See if we can do that. Yep. We can go through one and half of one. It's just bit difficult. Very nice knife indeed. You can make, if this can be a lightweight backpacker's knife. I lose it a lot in my pocket. Sometimes I forget to take it out. It's that light. I forget I have it when I'm walking. That's how light it is. Or sit down. Don't even feel it in your pocket. Very good knife, guys. Does come with a little leather sheath. Fake leather, I mean. And then you can just kind of keep it like that in your pocket if you want, or you can hook it up to a keychain. And it does come in different colours, I'm pretty sure. But very nice knife indeed. It is leg and arm shaving hair. I'll do that for you. I did cut myself by accident. Dog bumped into me when I was shaving my arm hair. Yeah, it's razor sharp to shave. It's like sharp enough to shave hair, but it doesn't really dull that fast. But if you are going to use a very, very big sharpener, like a sanding stone, I wouldn't suggest that because it would wear the blade down a lot. Yeah, guys, take care. Subscribe if you liked the video. Leave comments about feedback and what I did wrong and what I did right. Thanks, guys. Knives and more.